Hi everyone, I'm at Hobby Lobby and they do have some jewelry clearance. I'm so excited. Those round beads are 74 cents. These clay ones are $1.99. They have these beads right here for $1.24. They're like silver, blue, and black kind of mixed together. Those wood beads right there are 74 cents. You know what's funny? I've never even noticed these huge little wooden beads right here, but they are 74 cents as well. We have these like jumbo pony beads down there for 74 cents. There is just a whole variety of different clearance over here. Really cute stuff. See, like some of it's $1.50, 99 cents, $1.24, $1.74. Let's see what else they have. $1.74, $1.62. $1.24. How cute are these little key rings right here? $2.24, $1.50 for the llama. There's a bracelet right there, $1.84. If you are into like the little Swarovski crystal stuff, definitely go check out your store. They have a ton of it on clearance right now. These are really pretty, really shiny. They range $1.24, 99 cents. $2.50, $3.99. Let's see, $1.74, $1.62, $3.24 for those like little wheels right there. So yeah, super cute. For jewelry tools, not a whole lot going on. There is this metal punch right there, and then there is this little like magnifying glass right there, and then there's this that I'm not quite sure what it is. I think it's just thread. So in case you need some thread for 69 cents. There's a lot of clearance over here too. Like, look at how cute that little tree is. That's only 62 cents. We got the little hearts over there for $1.12. Those little elephants right here, so cute. And there's like little bugs, $1.24. Oh, there's a little birdie right there, $2.50. Just gotta look everywhere. They have jewelry clearance everywhere. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy that I came in today. I almost didn't. Look at this. This is pretty too. It's got like a little flower in there. It's $1.50. Those are $1.74. Oh, too bad this wasn't on clearance. That's cute. I don't think this stuff is even on sale this week. Let's see. Oh, look at these little guys right here. Those are $2.50. Oh, there's unicorn. Like this whole little row right there is unicorn. Oh wait, what's this? This is, how much is that? $1.74 for that little guy. And there's an owl and a mushroom over there. I have some more clearance over here, but this is on sale this week for 50% off in case you see anything that you would like to buy. And let's see. Oh, back here behind the sign, those look like spoon handles. Those are $1.74. Oh, look, there's some more things back here hiding behind the sign. So even though the sign's right here, definitely look behind it because like I missed those the first time. I didn't see that they were back there. So definitely take a look behind the signs. Oh, these are gorgeous. Look at this, $1.74. This one is 99 cents. That's really pretty. You guys know how I'm a sucker for keys, and they have keys up there again behind the sign. There's some more clearance back there. So you just kind of gotta look behind. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, and the globe moves. That's $1.87. Then there's like little passport charms. Oh, the airplane is only 74 cents. This one's 87 cents. This one is $1.37. Oh, what's this? Oh, that's cool. That's only 99 cents. You guys, I'm gonna be good and not go wild. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. I love this little moon face. Oh, look, it's like a little moon. Oh, that's so pretty. That's only 74 cents. I'm gonna try to be good and not go crazy, you guys, but oh my gosh, it's so tempting. Like, look at this. How pretty is that? $3.24. Too bad none of the wires on clearance. I always need more wire. But over here with the cord stuff, there is clearance over here. So these up here are, let's see, $1.99, $1.12. There's a bracelet right here that's 82 cents. Then we have cord down here that range from, let's see, 44 cents, 74 cents, 99 cents, $1.12, $2.74. Let's see. Oh, that colorful pack right there is only 99 cents. I wonder if I should grab that one. These, I wish they were on clearance. I would have grabbed those. There is some like little cord balls right here. Those are $2.50. Then there's cord over here, 74 cents, 87 cents. And then there are these as well. Which, what are these for? I think for bracelet making, right? If you need jewelry stands, the black one is $9.99. The gold one is $7.50. There are some items over in the resin as well, in case you're interested. And there's some molds down here as well. If you do any of the stamping, they have this stamp enamel set for $4, but then they do have other things like the little blanks. So that's pretty cool. But I don't see any of the letters actually being on clearance. But right next door, there's a ton of clearance over here. So they have hearts, stars, and the complete alphabet. If those were in gold, I kind of would have got those. Then over here, they have like the little peace sign and some keys. Then just a bunch of like other little charms that are also available. I bought the coffee ones the last time. And there's some all the way down at the bottom too. So look all the way down to the bottom because there's also clearance down there. Then next door at the charms, there's some charms over here. We have for 50 cents some alphabets up here. Then there's some more like little charms throughout that just have different sayings. They're like 50 cents, 74 cents, 62 cents. Oh, look, here's another little unicorn charm for 62 cents. Oh, that little happy right there is 74 cents. Oh, this is cute. It's a broken heart with a band-aid. That's $1.50. Oh, we have like little American flag, a cupcake, a horseshoe. Oh, the piggy's not on sale. Oh, wait. How cute are these little kitties? I'm not a cat person, but for $1.12, that is really, really cute. And then there's a little unicorn over there as well. And then all of these are on clearance. They look to be $2.50 or $2.99. So if you need any silver chain. There's a whole lot of clearance over here as well in case you need any of these. These tiny little tassels right there are $1.50. Oh, these little clips right there, those are kind of cool. Those are $1.74. The larger tassels over here are $1.24. Okay, over here we have clearance, but again, we got to go kind of behind and off to the side of the sign to see some of the items. So like right back over there, you see that little flower one? That's really cute. It's only $1.24. There's a ring over here for $1.12. There's some other charms over here as well. Oh, this lady's beautiful. I love her. Oh, look right here too. She's so pretty. Sitting behind the sign right here. There's some more charms up there for $1.24, 74 cents. There's some more down at the bottom. Oh, look, that one you can actually add your photo to. That is super, super cute. And then over here in the Hello Happy, they usually have really, really cute stuff. Oh, look at these like little Coke bottles. Be happy. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Oh, I kind of want to buy that, but it's not on sale this week, so I'll go ahead and I'll wait for a sale for that. Oh, look, there's like a little shaker cherry right there. That's $2. Then down at the bottom, there's like a little key stuff for, let's see, $1.50 and $1.64. Over here, we have some more little clearance stuff. A lot of the neon stuff I've noticed is actually on clearance this time around. There's not a whole lot going on in the jewelry finding section. So let's see. There's some of these right here, $1.62, $1.74. I got those last time, but I think they're a little bit larger. Those were, these are 74 cents. Oh, look, there's some earrings up there for $1.99. And then there's these down here for $1.50, but I feel like Dollar Tree sells these. I'm pretty sure that they do. So you might want to check there first. Oh my gosh, look at how cute. They have jump rings that are hearts and stars. That is so cute. And in case you need any little lobster clasp in color, they have them right there as well. Okay, I don't know when they put mine behind this like plexiglass so you can't even get it, but they do have clearance over here as well. I think that's it, just those two. So I think that's gonna be the end of this video for now, unless I go find something else. So thanks you guys so much for watching. See you later. Bye guys.